Welcome. In this video, we're going to examine 5 unconventional hero sections. The first visual you see when a website loads. These will probably appear distinctly different from those you're traditionally accustomed to. Undoubtedly, the selected examples will be out of the box so that we can get our creative juices flowing and gain some inspiration. Let's dive in. Our initial choice is the site for Hey Studio. Undeniably, it is the most playful one out of the ones we're going to see. Upon accessing the website, you'll observe geometrical figures descending to the bottom of the page, providing you an opportunity to input a personalized message in a perpetually changing shape. Let's say we're going to type in hi, and let's send it. It falls down, and then it starts interacting with other shapes. As it makes contact with them, what appears to be notes from other individuals begin to surface. From time to time, your message gets bigger, continually engaging with all other figures. Playful and engaging method to build the primary section of the site. Definitely a departure from the hero sections we're accustomed to. The animation is randomly generated, which is a nice touch. It appears to never be identical. As with all the upcoming websites, we're going to look at its other subpages. Given this is a design studio, it's expected they to possess an aesthetically appealing web presence. The pages showcasing work and values boast high-grade design features, yet the spotlight remains on the primary page, exemplifying the most inventive aspect of the entire website. Excellent work. The next example concerns a logistics firm called Flex. Initially, a large logo is visible, but as you navigate downwards, the logo gets smaller in size. Beneath that, the text aligns with the background video in such a way that as you scroll, it appears to be moving on the highway. I believe it's an ingenious method to construct a site for a distribution firm, and in this case, it functions efficiently and is a simple yet smart execution. There are other videos as well, changing in the background just to make it more dynamic. However, the main idea is a perfect choice for a logistics company and it enhances the design of the website. I strongly suggest fully exploring this website as it's been remarkably constructed using an excellent grid. Its development is perfect and it's evident that it received a great deal of meticulous attention. Everything contributes to the website's highly refined result. Several sub-pages are presented over a white background, and the fusion of black and white enhances the project. Intriguing header area, not your typical approach, slightly more playful. The third example is a creative studio named Buffet. Upon initial entry, all you get to see is the company's logo against the background. Yet moving your cursor around reveals a distinctive approach to brand image display. As you shift the cursor, the images change, and as you stop, it also pauses, the image changes, ensuring full interaction with the cursor. Nowadays, there are a lot of websites with images following your cursor, some of which were featured on our Instagram, but I think this is a different take on a similar idea. This happens before we've technically entered the site. After a click anywhere on the page, you're directly taken to the menu, which looks like a restaurant's menu. A very playful take on the company's name. The menu piques our interest. When your cursor lands on one of the menu items, it only showcases the image and a unique background color for that spot. Despite its seemingly basic layout, it remains highly engaging. This is a smart application of color and grid, as the images also swap their placement. Despite theoretically being a separate segment, it's fair to classify this as part of the hero section. It's a simple website that beautifully and imaginatively showcases the studio. Our following example is Design Research Studio. Upon entry, swift image changes direct us to the core area of the site. The hero section is revealed intriguingly. It immediately highlights projects produced by the company. It appears as a horizontally layered stack that animates appropriately. The logo too transitions with scrolling, shifting from the complete name to initials only. There's a menu that showcases all the selected work in one place. The website is designed to take you directly to the projects and engagingly present them as soon as possible. This approach is clever because instant attention grabbing is crucial. A rather inventive method accomplishes it here compared to the norm. It's a small site and it values the user's time and focus, fulfilling its intended role effectively. When we visit one of the projects, it's presented akin to an editorial, and how it displays photos is a remarkable design. The final website is tailor-made. a coffee roastery. Once you access the page, a logo animation unfolds on the full page. It's the main component that animates unexpectedly. There are more animations located lower on the page. It's also a simple site with an imaginary flair. There's an editorial way of showing business pictures, and then a cute animation displayed beneath them. Each component of the website is meticulously crafted. Minor aspects like product display elements that animate aren't overlooked. Even the hover effect of buttons responds to cursor activity. It's a minor element yet enhances the comprehensive experience. More animations exist, and even the footer links create movement upon hovering. Typically, these elements are disregarded. However, here these are not only aesthetically pleasing but also handled with exceptional attention. This simply demonstrates a significant amount of consideration put into it. I also want to show you the menu executed in a completely unconventional style as well. Appears chaotic, however, it's truly engaging and succinct. It's a delightful website overall and I'd recommend giving it a visit. That's all for today. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Check out our Instagram for more website inspiration and see you in the next one.